people are wondering, okay, what if I don't have a huge marketing budget? What if I can't do direct mail? What if I can't do bandit signs or whatever? How can I get started with a little or no budget where I can literally put in my effort? So we're going to talk about that. This is where we can look for deals on sites where people have properties for sale. These are called self-generated leads and deals that will help you to talk to more people and make offers without spending money on marketing. All right, so how to get deals for free? Well, first off, you search for sale by owner sites, and this is the breakdown. We're going to go through each one. Call sellers using a script, gather information and set an appointment, and then make an offer. All right, so Zillow.com, first off, what we can do is we can search by owner. So we can look for, you put in the zip code that you want to look at, put in the city that you want in, maybe Phoenix, Arizona, and what you're going to do is check for sale and by owner. And if you see in this particular zip code, there's 4 houses that are essentially for sale in that particular zip code by owner, and it will list all the properties for sale. Now, a lot of them you're going to see where the Zestimate is 150 and the seller wants 150. Well, just because that's what they're asking doesn't mean that's what they're going to get, right? And also depends on their motivation. So don't get discouraged if someone wants retail for the property. It depends on their motivation. Now, here's another great site, for sale by owner, forsalebyorner.com. Within for sale by owner, again, you can put the zip code. You put the zip code in there. What's going to happen is you can pull up all the information. And on here, there you go. Here's another property, $365,000. You can contact the owner on that little button right there. It says contact owner right here. You contact the owner, and what's going to happen is the owner's information is going to come up, their telephone number. You pick up the phone and you call them. Now, what's great about this is when you send direct mail, you're kind of waiting for the calls to come in, right? Now, bandit signs, you kind of put out bandit signs, you're waiting for calls to come in. This is a proactive step that you can take while you're waiting for those sellers. Remember, we talked about in bandit signs, right? You're going to be better on the 10th conversation with a seller than you are the first. You're going to be better on the 100th conversation than the 10th. So you want to get through and realize that you're practicing talking to sellers, and there's no better way to practice than actually talking to sellers that's not going to cost you any money and a lead that comes in. You can practice on these. So as you're waiting for the direct mail to actually hit and come in, and as you're waiting for the bandit signs for calls to come in, then you can use this particular method. All right. So if you click on that button right there, it says contact owner. This information is going to come up and their telephone number. Jeffrey, just pick up the phone, call them, and then talk to them and have a conversation. Different people put different properties. They don't put one property on all the sites. You're going to find all different. There is enough people to talk to on these sites that will keep you busy all day, every single day. So if that's all you did, you're reaching out to sellers, you're cutting your teeth, you're talking, you're getting experience, you're getting comfortable, you're getting out of your comfort zone, right? And you're getting experience. This is a great way to do it. And it's a great way to start momentum. You can meet them and you can make an offer and you can see what happens. So Chris Grosser, opportunities don't happen. You have to create them. This is a great way to generate leads without any money. You are creating your opportunities. You're not going to sit back and wait for the phone to ring. You're actually going to start calling sellers and getting experience, and then being able to talk and make offers. And you know what? There's going to be one of those. It's going to be a diamond in the rough. Remember, you're digging for gold, right? You're digging for gold. This is the best analogy I can even think of, because when you're looking for gold, right? A gold is someone that's motivated, willing to take a price discount because they want to get out of the property quickly without a hassle, without fixing it up, right? But what happens is you're going to have to go through a lot of dirt before you find the gold, right? So what's dirt? Someone that wants retail. It's funny, I was talking to my one of our acquisition people yesterday, one of our sales actually ladies, her name's Gia, and she was frustrated because not every person accepted her offer. And I was like, listen, you're talking to dirt. You know, how do you know that's gold? It's gold because they'll accept your offer at the discount price. So guess what? Just shake it off. It doesn't matter. The more people you talk to, the more dirt you dig, the more gold you'll find. It's a numbers game, just like we talked about. So the bottom line is, once you understand that it takes what, 25 offers to make a particular contract. So knowing that, the more people you can go through, the more offers you can make, that's going to bring you closer to getting that contract. So this gives you the ability to create those opportunities. So I'll see you in the next video. God bless.